Hey guys, it's Jen and I'm super excited to show you the May 2018 Felicity Jane Brie kit. And I wanted to just remind you guys that I usually get 2 paper packs of the kit to show you guys, but the kit only comes with 1. So let me show you what gloriousness is included in this kit. And I'm also going to show you how I've started organizing my kits. So as soon as I get to the embellishments, I'll show you that. So let's go ahead and start with the papers. Of course, you've seen this gorgeous floral. There's always a nice floral in the Felicity Jane kits. And on the back, we have a nice black and white Swiss dot. So usually every other paper is black and white, which is kind of a trademark of Felicity Jane, is to do the black and whites. The next paper is really cool. This is like a square dot. So it's like a little bit of it's a rounded square, really, on this light blue color. And then the back has like a stitched X or a plus sign or whatever you want to call it. And the branding strip has this pretty floral. I didn't show you the branding strip on this one. It's just a hexagon spread apart. Okay, then we have this nice yellow stripe. I love a simple stripe like this. And then the back is this really cute, it's a bow pattern. Oh, I can remember what it's called. And then there's a pink strip with white hearts on it. So that's very sweet. This one is fun. This would be great to use as a background. So it's different swatches of all of the patterns that are in the collection, or the colors. So that's, I think, a fun one. You could put your photo here and then you've got a whole bunch of background work done for you that you don't have to do anything with. You just get to have that fun background, or you could cut it up and use it. And I'm excited to see what different ways people use this paper. And then the back has got some spots. So they are, you can see this one's a Swiss dot. It's all evenly spaced, and this one is definitely random. So we've got 2 kinds of dots there. This one is a gradient grid. So it starts with the pink grid on white and then it fades to a white grid on pink. Very pretty. Very simple. Then we've got a black and white stripe with a gingham kind of pattern at the bottom in yellow. I forgot to mention that this has a stripe at the bottom. And then we've got this fun, funky little heart. So there's a couple of different kinds of hearts in here. You can see there's one that's got like a little bit more of like a puffy shape, and one of them's a little bit more of a curvy shape. I don't know how to explain those, but you can see it there. And then the back of that paper has frames on it, which are really fun. I love frames, so that'll be cute. And I love that they're one of the black and white patterns, because you could color them any color you want to, or you can back different pieces of this with pattern paper. I think that would be really fun. I'm excited to see how people use that as well. Okay, then we have some solid papers. So we get a yellow one, and then the back of that one has this bright kind of corally pink color. And then we have this kind of greeny aqua color. It's like it's a blue green, but it's more green. And then we have this nice blue color, which it's just a darker shade kind of this blue, which I love. So those are the papers. Now let's look at the embellishments. They are so cute. I can't handle how cute they are. So first of all, we have the Brie puffy shapes, and these they are the soft puffy. They're glorious. They're black and white. We've had some puffy shapes like this before. A couple months ago in the Alexis kit, we had titles that were like this. And I love the black and white because you can easily color them with alcohol markers. So if you have Copics or any other kind of alcohol marker, they color up really nicely with those. So that's an idea for this for you. Well, I'll put it all out and then I'll show you how I'm going to put it away. So there we go. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging, but I'm trying to find a place where the glare won't get you. Okay, you get 2 alphabets with this set, and this happened again with the Alexis kit. We got 2 alphabets, and these are the Essentials Puffy alphabets, and we've got them in black and then this gold foil. They are glorious. They will be in the shop, and there's also white and pink and teal, or I think it's called aqua, that are in the shop as well. So now there are 5 different colors of these Essentials Puffy stickers, which are awesome. We have these Brie fabric flags. So these are fun. Let me just show you here. Pull these ones out. They're stuck to the back of this just with some adhesive, but really you can just pull them off and do whatever you want with them. So if you wanted to string these, they've got an eyelet here that's like kind of an antiqued gold, and then they feel kind of like canvas, and so you could string these all on something, or you could use it in layers on your page, anything you want. It's fun, and it's a different texture that you can add to your layout. So I really like those fabric flags. And then, you know what? Well, okay, let me show you the layering butterflies. So these are fun too. They come with a bunch of different butterflies. Now the larger ones are stitched together already, but all of the smaller ones are in pieces so that you can create your own. So let me show you what I mean. There's lots of little pieces in here, more than it looks like. So we have these ones that are already stitched, and see there's a little bit left up at the top, so it kind of looks like the antenna of the butterfly, and you can kind of puff those up, so that's really cute. So there are a couple of large ones like that, and this pink one. And then we've got a bunch of different pieces where you can layer your own. Oh, here's another large one, polka dot. So you can layer these up however you want. So you can layer up the same size with the same size, or if you wanted to layer up a couple of the different kinds of butterflies together, you could. Anything you want. You could do a smaller vellum on top of the larger butterfly. So there's a bunch of different ones there for you to kind of play around with and make whatever you like. And one thing that I like to do with these, like with layering this, you can definitely stitch it like the big ones are stitched, or you can just use a little staple, and I'm just going to show you really quickly how I would do that. So there's just a little staple right in the middle, and it folds up. So you can try that out if you don't want to stitch those together, or of course you can just glue them together. So those are the layering butterflies. Before I show you the die cut shapes, let's go through the journaling cards. Usually I do those after the papers, and I forgot. So there are usually 12 3x4 journaling cards in each kit. The front side is printed, and then the back side either has a grid or a dot grid. So they're nice to use either side. And I like to use these on pages. So we've got the floral over a Swiss dot. We've got a stripe, a rainbow stripe, really cute. This one is kind of like a Polaroid. It's got a little bit more room at the bottom and a space here for journaling. This one's just got a little yellow strip at the top, almost looks like tape. This one says little details. Here's just a dot. Here and now, this one could be used either way. This one has got a plaid. I tend to use these cards this way, but you can use them either way. And I always think it's nice with cards like this to put something on the join, like where the white goes into the yellow, like on that line. This one's a spotty heart. This one's cute. It's like little file folder tabs. This says memories and that says notes. Then this one is a hexagon dot. When, where, who, and what. That's really cute. So kind of the facts. Now let's look at the die cuts. And I will just hold them up a bunch at a time here. So we've got some, looks like some speech bubbles and tags and labels. We've got some hearts. Beautiful day. Here's Brie. She's super cute. There is a girl stamp of this. I didn't bring the girl stamp home with me this time. There's only a few left in the shop, so they might be sold out by the time this goes live already. But if they're not, snatch one up because they're almost gone. There are some florals, which is awesome. I love some good florals, so lots of pieces there. That cute bow that's in that pattern paper, another tag. This says, without change, there would be no butterflies. That's cute. And that is a really great way to use those butterflies together with that. Pretty. My Story. Then there's some like little banner shapes. These would be cute to mix in with the fabric flags. You could make a bunting with using those in conjunction. I think that would be really cute. This one says happy, and this actually goes the other way, so maybe these are meant to just be triangles that you kind of play with, but you could do whatever. This is kind of like, looks like a little fuzzy pom-pom banner, and then we've got hearts, and we've got these, and another heart, and a plant, and some flowers, and then there's this little label that has hearts on it. And then this other little heart and another bunting that's just a little bit of a smaller size than the other one. So those are super cute. So now I want to show you the ways that I am organizing my Felicity Jane stuff. Oh, I didn't show you two more things. Okay, so here we have the chipboard flair. And these are so cute, you guys. This comes with like a little brad that's holding this bag closed. And it's like a giant brad. It's really cool. And then in here, we have a ton of glorious little circle shapes, which is fun. I can't wait to use these. Like, I want to use a whole bunch on one layout. So we have, they're either white on black or black on white. So we have favorite photo right here, smile. Some of them are just printed patterns, and some of them have words. Fun, there's a camera, there's a heart, an ampersand, dots, love, beautiful, there's another love. Notes, favorite thing. I wonder if, I kind of am thinking that there is, maybe not, that the same things are black and white and white on black, but I don't think so. Note to self, my heart, happy, the story, a butterfly. There's another butterfly. See, so some of them do have the opposites. Where did that go? I don't know where that, oh, see, that one has the opposites, and so does the heart, but not all of them. So anyway, there's a whole bunch, and they're really cute. So those are so fun. All right, this stamp set is my favorite. It's almost always my favorite, but this is so cute. So we've got some like painty swatches, which is really, really fun. If you like the look of mixed media, but you like things a little bit more controlled, stamps that look like paint swatches are a great idea. And then there's butterflies. So there's a little trio of butterflies, and then there's one on its own. So you've got 4 different sizes there. And then we've got some dots, which you could use as kind of the butterfly trail if you curved it around and stuff. And then we've got enough, one step at a time, worth it, brave, dream big, a little heart, beautiful you, spread your wings and fly. So that's really cute. I'm excited about that. So let me show you how I'm storing my kits. So on my desk, I have this little box. This is from Target. It's like $5. And what I've done is just put little tabs on papers and separated things out in the way that I want to use them. So basically I have my current Felicity Jane kit in here. I have my current Allie Edwards Stories by the Month kit in here. And then I also have all of my Felicity Jane like die cuts and stuff. And I keep one collection all in the same thing, except for the current kit. So you can see Brooke here. I have the stamp set, I have the die cut shapes, I have the rubber shapes, and then I put the vellum and the journaling cards in a thing, and then I just have a couple other things floating in here, the puffy shapes and the crepe ruffle trim, just so that they're all right here. And then I cut this from the bottom of the pattern paper from the branding strip and stuck it in here. And so what I'll do now is I'll probably combine this stuff from the Brooke kit together into one pouch, and then I can add the Brie kit in here. So I'll just put the stamp set in, and then the fabric flags I'll just leave like this and stick in here. And then I'll probably put the alphabets in here because I have my other alphabets and different things in the back here because I want to be able to reach for those quickly. And so I'm keeping this on my desk so that I remember to use them. And that's kind of the way I'm storing them. So I'll go ahead and put these in my different little pockets, which these are new from Felicity Jane. They came out last month. They are just a little stamp pocket. It's what the stamps are coming in now. And you can buy them with or without, no, I think you buy them with. You can buy them with it comes with the little backers, and it comes with little heart stickers for you to put on the back like they have on the back of the stamp set as well. But I'm just tucking mine into the back instead. And then you can stick your embellishments in here. And the awesome thing is, now if this was the die cut package or the layering butterflies, I can put this part in the back so I know I can easily see what I have. So I hope that makes sense. I hope that you'll check this kit out. I'll leave a link in the video description, and this is the Brie kit for May 2018. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.